At the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, we are proud to bring you Education Matters in partnership with Educational Employees Credit Union, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University. Thank you for watching and supporting positive stories about education.
It's a rite of passage, parents moving their child into a college dorm. It's a move that can be costly for families. But if you are a foster student with no support, it's hard to afford something as basic as detergent.
Those are things that are necessities, and they're hard to come by because necessities are so expensive.
With the help of a program operated by the Foster and Homeless Youth Department at the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools, this 18-year-old college freshman was gifted a dorm kit. It meant the world to her.
And I'm one of those students that don't have home support. It's very important to me because it helped me with a lot of the necessities that I needed.
They have literally nothing when they're walking into that dorm, and so for us to be able to provide this kit with supplies is just crucial for them.
With donations made through its foundation, FCSS employees are able to purchase supplies like bedding, toiletries, school and cleaning supplies, along with whiteboards. The dorm kits ease the transition to college for foster and homeless students.
They're given so many challenges as it is, and this program is meant to provide them with some hope and stability and some items to just get them started so that they don't have one more thing that they have to worry about.
The Foster Youth and Homeless Department works to support students from elementary to high school. When the young people head to college, staff works to connect students to services at that campus.
So our goal is to make sure that they're connected to whether it's the Renaissance Scholars Program at Fresno State, Next Up at Fresno City, and really because if they're not connected, then we're often taking a chance that they get lost.
Rayganne, a Clovis East High graduate, is attending Cal State Northridge and has already connected to the program for foster students on her campus. She credits caring educators for helping her get there.
I had staff members and teachers that were willing to help me and figure out what I was going through, and they pushed me to do more.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.